Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we will talk about the affiliate program of Magnific. So let me take you to the website, which is magnific.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Magnific, formerly known as Freepik, is an AI-powered creative platform that combines stock images, vectors, icons, templates, videos, AI image generation, AI video generation, audio generation, image enhancement, and design tools into a single ecosystem. Following its official rebrand from Freepik to Magnific, the company continues serving millions of designers, marketers, creators, agencies, and businesses worldwide under its new identity. So, what are you waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, maybe check out their pricing, and see if they're best suited for you and if you want to start utilizing them. But that's not exactly why we are here. As usual, we are here to earn money. And how do we do that? We simply join the affiliate program of Magnific or rather Freepik. We start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we'll receive the commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? No restrictions found. So regardless of your location as an affiliate or the location of your consumers, you can bring sales to them and start earning commission, given Magnific is available to the consumer of that country. Let's learn more about the affiliate program. For that, you can come to the website, scroll till the footer section, and over here you can click on affiliates. It will take you to the affiliate program page. You can see here your community can make a difference. Grow with Magnific and earn by sharing the tools your audience already love. Choose your program that fits the way you work. Perfect. And if you scroll down, there are two ways to earn with Magnific. Pick the model that fits you the best. Refer and earn, promote, convert and earn. So this is ideal for AI artists, creators, educators, and anyone with an engaged community who trust your recommendation. And then this one that is promote, convert, and earn, it's ideal for publishers, blogs, review sites. The higher your traffic volume, the more you earn. The problem with this promote, convert, and earn, it's coming soon. In future, if you're watching this video and if you see this option available, and if you are either a publisher, a blogger, or have a website, then you might want to go with this. But until we wait for that moment to come, you can go with refer and earn program. Now let's learn more about it. If you scroll down, you can see simple steps to start earning. For creators and communities, you apply to join, you get your unique referral link, and you share and earn. For publisher and high traffic sites, similar thing, apply and get approval, get your link and creative assets, track your performance in real time. Since we only have this option available, refer and earn, so we're gonna go with this regardless of you being a creator or a publisher. If you scroll down, you can see everything you need to know to succeed. Quick start at zero cost, earn on every paid subscription, track your performance in real time, give your community real value. That's awesome. And if you scroll down, you can see frequently asked question. Anything that isn't covered in this video, you can come to this affiliate program page. I'm going to mention this link directly in the video description too. You can come here, you can come to the FAQ section, and you can try to find the answer of any question that isn't already addressed in this video. And if you ever want to reach out to them, the email address would be in one of these questions. So here it is, affiliates@magnific.com. So feel free to reach out to them as well. And how do you apply to the affiliate program? You can come to this section once again, that is refer and earn. You can click on refer and earn. It will take you to the sign up page. Over here, you can continue with Google, Apple, SSO, or you can give your email address, but I'm going to go with Google, and then it will take you further. You can complete the authentication. This way, you're basically linking your Google or given account with your Magnific account. And once that's done, this is how it will look like. And if you scroll down over here, you can see affiliate program contract, and sure you read it thoroughly till the very end. Only then this join now button will be clickable. Once you have read it, you can click on join now and it will take you further. And here you are, share your passion for design. It's pretty simple. Over here, you can see the commission rate on 10% for every new subscriber who joins through your link. That's nothing to pay and no cap on rewards. That's great. So as an affiliate, if you bring consumers to Magnific and if they end up buying the subscription, you'll get 10% of whatever they have paid. That's good. However, if you just share this link that is of magnific.com with them, and if they click on it, it won't work. You have to ensure you're using your exclusive tracking link. And here you have your exclusive link. See this one. So you can copy this and share it with your audience, with your traffic. You can also use this option that is email your link, post on LinkedIn, or share on X. Alright, so you learn how to do the sign up for Magnific or rather Freepik affiliate or refer on program. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, you can promote them maybe on your homepage, maybe a category page, wherever you feel like is more suited for your audience or traffic. Then you got blogs. So you could create different blog posts and talk about Magnific, what you could do utilizing their services, and put your tracking link with your blog post. So this way, when people would read it, if they like it, they click on the link, and if they subscribe to Magnific by paying some amount, you'll get 10% of that amount as commission. On your website or blog, you also might want to create content such as AI tools reviews, design tutorials, or productivity articles. This would also help you in getting the right traffic to click on your tracking link and, of course, become a better conversion. Then you got social media. Talking about social media, you got YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Pinterest, and you have a number of content that you could create. Maybe you might want to create videos, short form, long form content, up to you. You might want to create reels, shorts, posts, pins, tweet, again, as you decide. And whatever you do, use your creativity and ensure you always share your tracking link along with those content as well. Then you got AI Tools website. As an affiliate, if you have such a website available, then it's great because people come to these kind of websites to learn about different amazing AI related tools out there. So you might want to feature Magnific over there. So this way, when people are coming to your website, they see Magnific featured over there, of course, with some details. They'll click on your link and they subscribe to Magnific by enrolling to one of the plan, and you end up getting commission. Apart from it, other kind of websites could also be helpful, such as graphic design website or maybe creative resources website or digital marketing website. Now, promoting Magnific is one thing, but one of the problem that most of the affiliates face is getting the right traffic. What's the point of promoting a brand if not getting the right traffic? Because without right traffic, there won't be a better conversion, meaning there will be less sales and less commission. So I have mentioned top three traffic sources for Magnific. First one you got is YouTube. So on YouTube, you might want to create content surrounding AI tools, graphic design, and content creation tutorials. And within those content of yours, you can talk about Magnific. And to get this traffic, you can either directly put your tracking link with those content, or you might want to put your online presence link. This way, you're redirecting the traffic through either your online presence or directly through your tracking link to Magnific's website. Then you got Google SEO. Doesn't matter wherever you are creating the content, ensure you target keywords like AI image generation, design resources, stock assets, and creative tools. This way, you will likely get organic traffic from Google SEO, and that could actually convert into sales. Then you got Pinterest. So on Pinterest, you might want to create pins related to graphic design inspirations, social media templates, presentation templates, and logo design ideas. Again, slide in about Magnific by sharing your tracking link or by sharing online presence of yours, which will again get the right traffic that actually converts. Let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the affiliate program page of Magnific once again. Scroll down to the widget section. If you're logged out, you can again use the option refer and earn, and you can do the authentication. It will again take you to this widget. Over here, you would be able to see friend referred. Here, it will be the people that you have referred. Friends converted, again, your refer converted, reward summary, and commission earned. And you can give them 15 days of time to validate any refer that you have done. And to receive this commission, you first have to verify your email address. So whatever email address that you have given, you can click on send code. It will send a code to the given email address. And let me see the email. So here's the email I got. So you can copy this code. You can come to here again, paste the code and verify. So this way you're confirming that the given email address belongs to you. And after that, it will ask you to provide more details. You can give your first name, last name, email address, choose your country, choose your phone number, give your address, and also read terms and condition, tick mark this, and click on continue. Thereafter, it will take you to the second step of this information where it will ask you to submit the tax related details followed by banking details. And once you've completed all these four steps, you can expect to receive commission from Magnific for all the sales, all the refers you have brought to them. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Magnific or rather Freepik. You sign up for that, you start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helps you in learning the affiliate program or rather the earn and refer program of Magnific. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I've created for you. There are premium and as well as free resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Get any that you prefer. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.